It is my birthday. What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Kyra B, and I'm back with a video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are about to DIY my kitchen for under $50. Because as y'all know, the rent, this economy is crazy. The housing market is crazy. You can't buy. If you want to move, you got to pay these outrageous prices. And I just don't got time for it. So if these apartments want to charge 2022 rent, but don't want to do 2022 updates, we gonna do our own updates, and that's on what? Period. So make sure you guys like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to the gang, because I am gonna be coming back with some more DIYs real soon, real soon. So subscribe to my channel, y'all. Make me famous. Y'all be making all these people famous. Make me famous. Make me YouTube. I'm trying to get that bag, okay? Anyway, you guys, let's just get straight into this video. Peace out. Okay, so y'all, this is what the kitchen looks like right now. It's all ugly and old. As you can see, plain counters, all that good stuff. So first I'm gonna go to Menards and see what I can find in there, then we'll branch out. So as you guys see, I put those peel and stick rolls in the cart. At Menards, they was like $8. And mind y'all, at Walmart, they like $5. So don't go to Menards. I just got it because I was already there and I didn't feel like going nowhere else, because I did see it at Walmart before that. So I would recommend y'all to go to Walmart and get them for like $5. So right here is where you see me sticking the paper down. Y'all, you supposed to use a little something type of tool to flatten it. Y'all, I am using card. So one thing about me, baby, I'm gonna do what it do. And I did take my time with this, you guys. Obviously, I sped it up for the sake of the video, but yeah, I did take my very much time with this. And then you just want to roll it, pull it back a little bit, use the card to flatten it, pull it back a little bit, use the card to flatten it. Make sure you take your time, because if not, it will mess up. Right here's where you see me cleaning up. You want to clean up before you put the roll down. I didn't show it on the other side, but I did clean it off first real good with some bleach. Also, I dried it off real good before I started sticking it. So yeah, just make sure you guys clean it off first. And then as you can see, I'm doing it again, pulling back a little bit, flattening it, pull it back a little bit, flatten it. And then over here, when you get to your corners, just take your time and be really tedious with it. You want to stick it, you know, flatten it real good, and then, you know, stick it, flatten it real good for each little bitty corner. So make sure y'all doing that. Okay, y'all, so today I was in Family Dollar for work, because I had to go get some stuff for work. And then I ended up seeing these, and they only $1, so I'm kind of nervous. But if it don't work out, then guess what? It was only $1. I got like 10 of them, so it's only like $10 wasted, whatever, boom. So I got these. We're gonna see how they stick on the wall. I'm gonna put these on there, and we're gonna see how they go. So right here, y'all, I'm attaching the backsplash part. All I'm doing is taking it out the wrapper and literally just putting it on the wall. Y'all, this was so simple to do. All you gotta do is take it out and put it on the wall. And then the parts where you see me skip around, like the empty parts, I had to cut it to make it fit. So just keep in mind that you will have to cut it to make it to go around the plugs and stuff. Y'all, I wasn't able to, I ended up running out of the little thing, so I gotta go get some more. But this is what it looks like so far. So far, it's coming along. It's giving upgraded, definitely. So we gonna see what it look like when it get done. So this is the finished product. I love it. Oh my God, it looks so much more upgraded, y'all. Oh, I ain't fixed that over there. Don't worry about that. But yeah, y'all, it is so cute. And I did want to point out to y'all, if you do this, so if you can see over here, it looks smooth, right? But over here, you can kind of see the lines. It's not too obvious. So I wouldn't recommend for you guys to start in the back. I would start in the front and then put the second part in the back. That's what I did. And the line is all the way back here. You can't even really see it. Y'all see the difference? Versus this over here. So yeah. All right, you guys, and that was all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because I am going to be doing more DIYs. Like I said, I think next I'm going to reconstruct my patio. I ordered some patio furniture. We about to do that next. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel or any other DIYs, or if you want to see me doing, because I be doing everything over here because this channel is all about me, okay? So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment down below if you guys what you guys think about the kitchen. I love you guys, and peace out.